How to handle rejection. In this line of business, you will encounter rejection all the time. But the key is knowing that the client is rejecting your proposal, not you personally. Not all objections should be received as a negative blow to your presentation. In fact, most objections can be dealt with effectively and are actually a positive sign that your client is showing some interest. In other words, if life insurance holds no appeal to the client, they will simply never object and will have no desire to continue the conversation with you, either over the phone or face to face. Now, please remember, when people say no to you, they are not rejecting you personally. They are rejecting simply the business proposal that you have today. You can either move on or you can educate them. It's your choice. But if an objection can be removed from the conversation between you and your prospect, the resistance will begin to break down as the proposition automatically becomes more attractive. In simple words, don't take it personally. Try to find what's the real reason why they say no to you, and don't accept first no as a final no. Stats show that 92% of all insurance agents give up after hearing first 4 no's. I'm not saying when they say no, never call me again, you should continue calling them. But if they say no, I'm not sure if this is something for me, I'm all set, I need to speak with my wife, that's a simple no. And you can continue breaking down the resistance and trying to book the appointment, or trying to present the case and create a tailored proposal to their needs and to satisfy them, and simply sell to them. If they say no, final no, again, they are not rejecting you personally, they are simply rejecting the business proposal from the insurance agent. You are the same person you were before that meeting or before that call. So keep your chin up, and remember, not every person will buy from you. It's important to understand why people don't buy from you, but also move on and try to find people who understand the benefits of having a life insurance policy.